In this course, you'll gain a command of what managers must do to build an organization capable of good strategy execution. Proficient strategy execution depends heavily on competent personnel, better than adequate competitive capabilities, and an effective internal organization. Building a capable organization is thus always a top priority in strategy execution. 3 types of organization building actions are paramount in building strategy. First is staffing the organization, putting together a strong management team and recruiting and retaining employees with needed experience, technical skills, and intellectual capital. Then there's acquiring, developing, and strengthening the strategy, supportive resources, and capabilities. Accumulating the required resources, developing proficiency in performing strategy-critical value chain activities, and updating them to match changing market conditions and customer expectations. And finally, structuring the organization and work effort, organizing value chain activities and business processes, establishing lines of authority and reporting relationships, and deciding how much decision-making authority to push down to lower-level managers and frontline employees. Building new competencies and capabilities is a multi-stage process that occurs over a period of months and years. It's not something that's accomplished overnight.